Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder with points ready to be turned into epic adventures, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your Chase Sapphire points to airline partners, unlocking flights, upgrades, and more. This process is straightforward, but I'll break it down step by step so you can do it confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. First things first, why bother transferring points? Well, Chase Sapphire points are incredibly flexible, and partnering with airlines like United, Southwest, or British Airways often gives you better value than using points directly for travel through Chase. But remember, transfers are usually final, so double-check everything before you hit that confirm button. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Head over to the Chase website or open the Chase mobile app and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure connection. Your points are valuable. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards, or Ultimate Rewards, section. That's where the magic happens. Step 2. Locate your points balance. You'll see a dashboard showing how many points you have. Click on the option to transfer to partners or something similar. It might say Travel or Partners. From there, you'll get a list of available airline and hotel partners. Step 3. Select the airline you want to transfer to. Chase has partnerships with major airlines, but not all points transfer at a 1-to-1 ratio, so check the conversion rate first. For example, 1 Chase point might equal 1 mile with some airlines, but less with others. Do the math to ensure it's worth it. Step 4. Enter the amount of points you want to transfer. Be precise. Only transfer what you need for your trip to avoid wasting points. You'll also need to link your frequent flyer account if you haven't already. This might involve entering your airline membership number. Step 5. Review and confirm the transfer. Double-check for any fees. Most Chase transfers are free, but it's good to confirm, and make sure you're aware of any blackout dates or expiration rules from the airline. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. Transfers are often instant, but it could take up to 24 hours for some partners. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your points. Now, you can log into your airline account and book that dream vacation. One last tip. Always compare the value. Sometimes it's better to book through Chase directly. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone.